everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to sort a list of column by character length with Kutools for Excel. With the previous method you need to create a help column first, which is a little troublesome for you, but using the advanced sort feature in Kutools for Excel you can sort the list by character length at once. Please do as follows. Select the list you want to sort by the character length and click the Kutools Plus tab. In the filter and statistic drop group, click the drop down list and click the sort drop down list and select advanced sort. In the advanced sort dialog box, select the column you are list in and choose text length from the sort on drop down list, and then specify the order you need, and if your selected list has header, check my data has header, otherwise leave it unchecked. Click the OK button and you can see that the list has been sorted on character length. And if you choose Z to A in the order, you can see that the result will appear differently, as you can see. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.